This is how you add contacts to favorites on your iPhone. Open the phone app, go to the Recents tab, tap on these three stacked icons up here, hamburger icons, some might call them. If yours is set to unified, your Favorites tab down here is going to be gone. So make sure this is set to classic, then your Favorites tab reappears. You used to be able to go directly into a contact and add them as a favorite. That doesn't work anymore. You instead now have to go to this Favorites tab and then tap on the plus icon in the top right. Let's search for a contact. This demo contact looks pretty good. Let's tap on that. Now you can choose to add them for messages or for calls. You can even choose them to be added to favorites for WhatsApp if you want. So tap on them when you want. And now if I tap on them, it's going to open an iMessage thread with that person, or the existing iMessage thread with that person. Had I saved them as a phone favorite, it would call them on the phone. Let's try that and see if we can add them again. This time let's add them as a call. Now we have them on here as mobile. If I tap on that, it's going to start calling them. That's how we add contacts to our favorites list on iPhone. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. I know it sounds weird, but you've probably never done it. It's important you do it. So check out that video and I'll see you there.